Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on binary arithmetic. Today we're going to explore subtraction using complement methods. This is part of our digital logic and design series, so let's dive right in. Let's start with an overview of binary subtraction. There are primarily two methods to perform binary subtraction. The first one is the direct method, where we use the borrowing technique just like we do in decimal subtraction. The second method is the complement method. In this method, we use 1's and 2's complement for subtraction. We will focus on the complement method today. First, let's discuss 1's complement. The 1's complement of a binary number is obtained by simply flipping all the bits. That is, each 0 becomes 1 and each 1 becomes 0. For example, if the original binary number is 1010, then its 1's complement is 0101. Now let's talk about 2's complement. The 2's complement of a binary number is obtained by adding 1 to its 1's complement. Let's take an example. Suppose we want to find the 2's complement of 1010. First, we find the 1's complement, which is 0101. Then we add 1 to it, that is 0001. So 0101 plus 0001 equals 0110, which is the 2's complement. Now let's learn how to subtract using 1's complement. Here are the steps we will follow. Step 1. Find the 1's complement of the subtrahend, which is the number being subtracted. Step 2. Add the minuend, which is the number from which we are subtracting, to the 1's complement of the subtrahend. Step 3. If a carry exists after the addition, add this carry to the result. In formula terms, a minus b equals a plus the 1's complement of b, plus the carry, if any. Let's take a look at an example to understand this better. Suppose we want to calculate 1101 minus 1010 using the 1's complement method. The minuend is 1101, and the subtrahend is 1010. The 1's complement of the subtrahend, 1010, is 0101. Now we perform the addition. 1101 plus 0101 equals 10010. Since there is a carry, we add it to the result. So 0010 plus 1 equals 0011. Now let's see how to perform subtraction using 2's complement. The steps are as follows. First, find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Second, add the minuend to the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Third, discard any carry that may result from the addition. The main advantage of using 2's complement for subtraction is that it is simpler than 1's complement, because there is no need for carry addition. Let's work through an example to illustrate subtraction using 2's complement. Consider the problem 1101 minus 1010. The minuend is 1101, and the subtrahend is 1010. The 2's complement of the subtrahend, 1010, is 0110. Now add the minuend and the 2's complement of the subtrahend. 1101 plus 0110 equals 10011. Finally, discard the carry. The result is 0011. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.